So, Burgundy is what you guys, black and white truffles, right? Like when you go to the markets and stuff, it says the white truffle oil and the black truffle oil. Can you explain the difference in flavor or consistency?
So Burgundy has a very nutty, very earthy aroma. White truffles have a very garlicky, cheesy aroma. And that's also why they're so intoxicating.
And they're very pungent too, right? You do not need a lot of truffle on your food.
A little goes a long way.
A little goes a very, very long way.
And those are huge.
They are.
Softball-sized truffle.
Yes, this is about, I would say, a $2,000 truffle right here.
That is $2,000.
It was just unearthed 2 days ago.
Can I touch it?
You can touch it, yeah. Pet it if you want.
I feel like I'm in a museum.
Now give him $8.
Exactly. But I grew up in Arkansas foraging with my uncle.
Wow.
I'd always loved eating and cooking, and I was obsessed with wild mushrooms. After that, I wanted to taste a truffle for the first time, and I begged my parents. Well, I begged my parents to give in and buy me a truffle or two, and they flat out refused. And so I pooled together several years worth of Christmas and birthday savings and found a supplier in France that was willing to send me a kilo of truffles. And when they arrived, my dad drove me to the 3 best restaurants in Arkansas. And I stopped at Walmart first and picked up a scale and an invoice pad and pretended like I was making a delivery and went up to the chef and asked him if he had any interest in truffles. And
you really are a dealer.
I made a profit, and I had a lot of fun doing it. And so, so now I own this company here in New York.
That's an incredible story.
Restaurants.
Give us your top facts about truffles.
So truffles bind super well to fat. So I love shaving them on ice cream.
This is the best smelling set right now in studio in America, for sure.
So I like to just shave.
Just make it rain.
Just make it rain.
That's crazy.
Truffles are
should be
beautiful.
like a new hashtag.
That's the most expensive ice cream on the planet Earth right now.
They have this amazing, intricate marbling inside, which is so beautiful.
And I love truffle shavers, too. We use them to shave the garlic polythin like in Goodfellas. It's a great tool to have as well.
I like putting just a little, this is a little truffle salt that I like to add.
It's a truffle party.
It is.
And a little olive oil.
I like using a little olive oil. I'm turning on the stove here.
The stove wants in on the truffle. It's jealous.
And you got some
honey. And then just a little honey. To really bring everything
this is the most
together.
It's officially right now the most expensive dessert in New York City as well.
Get in there, Jess. You want to try some?
Yeah, I can. Absolutely, I can. Oh my gosh.
Let's dress the popcorn here.
So the popcorn, let's do black truffle. How's it going?
I'm just gonna hold on to this back here. I'm gonna guard it.
Wow, look at that. That's beautiful.
Yeah, so then we're gonna drizzle just a little bit of truffle oil.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Which truffle oil is actually an interesting thing because a lot of truffle oil is actually made from a synthetic flavor.
Yeah.
It doesn't actually have truffle inside of it.
Yeah, you have to be very wary, buyer beware, yeah.
The way that we make truffle oil organically is we keep it in a container like this, and we just basically keep the truffles adjacent to oil, and it infuses naturally.
It does its thing.
And it's a little lighter tasting, but it actually tastes like truffles.
Well, you're the man to know. I've got olive oil on the elbow bump. Thank you. Thank you.